Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle their entire lives? What if there were hidden secrets, ancient laws that govern the flow of money? Imagine unlocking these secrets and transforming your financial future. In today's video, we'll reveal the 12 laws of money, powerful principles that have stood the test of time. Stay with us to discover how you can apply these laws to attract abundance and financial freedom into your life. Part 1. The Law of Value. Money is a tool of exchange, representing the value you bring to the marketplace. The more value you provide, the more money you can earn. Value can come in various forms, such as products, services, or solutions to problems. For example, Steve Jobs revolutionized the tech industry with the iPhone, creating immense value and earning billions. To apply this law, focus on how you can serve others and solve their problems effectively. Part 2. The Law of Exchange. Money flows where it can be exchanged for goods or services. This law emphasizes the importance of trade in creating wealth. In ancient times, people bartered items of value, but the invention of money simplified these exchanges. Think about your skills and resources. How can you use them to get what you need? For instance, a graphic designer can trade their design services for financial compensation or other valuable services. Understanding this law helps you see money as dynamic and flowing, not something static. By constantly looking for opportunities to exchange your talents and resources, you can create a continuous flow of wealth into your life. Part 3. The Law of Abundance. Abundance is a mindset that believes there is plenty for everyone. When you embrace abundance, you attract wealth. Consider philanthropists like Bill Gates, who give away vast sums of money yet continue to grow their wealth. This law teaches that generosity and gratitude lead to more opportunities. To adopt an abundance mindset, practice daily gratitude for what you have and look for ways to give to others. By believing in endless opportunities, you open yourself to receiving more. Remember, abundance starts in your mind. What you believe shapes your reality. Embrace this mindset and watch your financial opportunities expand. Part 4. The Law of Attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. Your thoughts and emotions are powerful magnets. If you think positively about money and feel deserving of wealth, you'll attract it into your life. On the other hand, negative thoughts repel money. Visualization and affirmations are practical tools to harness this law. Picture yourself achieving your financial goals and repeat affirmations that reinforce your wealth mindset. Part 5. The Law of Expectation. What you expect tends to happen, according to the law of expectation. If you expect to succeed, your actions align with that belief, driving you towards success. Conversely, expecting failure often leads to self-sabotage. Successful entrepreneurs and leaders envision their victories, fueling their persistence through challenges. To harness this law, set high expectations for yourself and truly believe in your potential to achieve them. Visualize your success and act as if it's already assured. This positive expectation will guide your actions, helping you to overcome obstacles and reach your financial goals. Part 6. The Law of Clarity. Clarity is crucial in the realm of money. The clearer you are about your financial goals, the easier it is to achieve them. This law suggests that you should set specific, measurable, and time-bound financial goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be rich," specify, "I want to save $50,000 in the next 2 years." Clarity guides your actions and decisions, aligning them with your financial objectives. If you're finding these insights valuable, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This way, you'll stay updated with more powerful tips and secrets to achieving financial freedom. Now let's dive back into the remaining laws of money. Part 7. The Law of Responsibility. Taking responsibility for your financial situation empowers you to change it. The law of responsibility teaches that you are the creator of your financial destiny. Blaming external factors like the economy or your upbringing won't improve your circumstances. Instead, focus on what you can control and take proactive steps to enhance your finances. This might involve budgeting, investing in education, or finding new income streams. By accepting full responsibility, you shift from a victim mentality to a proactive mindset. This transformation is crucial for achieving long-term financial success and stability. Part 8. The Law of Reciprocity. The law of reciprocity is the principle of give and take. When you give generously, you receive in return. This doesn't mean you should give with the expectation of immediate returns, but rather cultivate a habit of generosity. For instance, successful networkers often help others without expecting anything in return, building a reputation that eventually leads to opportunities. Practice kindness and generosity, and the universe will reciprocate. Part 9. The law of compensation. The law of compensation states that your earnings are directly proportional to the value you provide to others. The more value you deliver, the higher your compensation will be. For instance, top-performing professionals in any field command higher salaries due to their significant contributions. To leverage this law, focus on enhancing your skills, knowledge, and the quality of your work. Continuously seek ways to add more value in your profession or business. By doing so, you not only increase your earnings but also create a positive impact on those you serve, fostering a cycle of growth and prosperity. Part 10. The law of growth. Money, like any other resource, requires growth. The law of growth emphasizes the importance of investing and reinvesting your money to create more wealth. Think of it as planting a seed that grows into a tree, bearing fruit year after year. Savvy investors understand this principle, constantly seeking opportunities to grow their wealth. Educate yourself about investments and start small, allowing your money to work for you. Part 11. The law of momentum. Momentum is a powerful force in finance. The law of momentum teaches that small actions, repeated consistently over time, lead to significant results. Whether it's saving a portion of your income, paying off debt, or investing regularly, these small steps build momentum. For example, consistently saving $100 a month can lead to substantial savings over a few years. Start today and let the power of momentum drive your financial success. Part 12. The law of appreciation. Appreciation is more than just gratitude. It's about recognizing the value of what you have and allowing it to grow. The law of appreciation suggests that what you focus on expands. When you appreciate your money, no matter how little, you create a positive energy that attracts more. This could mean keeping track of your finances, celebrating small wins, or simply being thankful for your income. Practice appreciation daily and watch your wealth grow. The 12 laws of money are timeless principles that can transform your financial life. By understanding and applying these laws, you can unlock the secrets to attracting wealth and achieving financial freedom. Remember, it's not just about earning more money, but about cultivating a mindset and habits that support long-term prosperity. Start applying these laws today and take control of your financial destiny. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are on their journey to financial success. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video.